Are you tired of paying agents to process your visas? What if I told you you could do this all by yourself, save hundreds of dollars and get it done even faster? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process how to apply for a visa without needing an agent. Stick around because step 5 is the key to getting it right every time. Welcome to Explore Abroad, the channel where I help you to travel smarter, cheaper and stress-free. I share tips on travel hacks, visas and everything you need to make your global dreams a reality. If this sounds like something you are into, then hit that subscribe button now. Let's get started. The first step for you to be able to apply for your own visa without needing an agent is number 1, research the visa requirements. What you need to do is visit the official website of the embassy or consulate of that country you are planning to visit, the country you are planning to apply for. Visit the official website of the embassy or consulate, because every visa type, whether it is tourist, study visa or work visa, has its own requirements. They have different requirements. Download the checklist and read it carefully. It will help you to understand everything you need to know, and it will guide you on how to apply for the visa and all the requirements you will need, all the papers you need, all the documents you need. It will help you to guide you. It will guide you to be able to be ready for the applications. It will guide you through. So download the checklist and read it carefully and follow it. Number 2 is prepare all required documents. After you've made your research on the required documents for the type of visa you are trying to apply for, then gather everything on that checklist, all the documents they ask you for. Gather it, for example, like international passport, passport photograph, bank statement, invitation letter, if it's required, whatever they ask for. Pay attention to all the details like photo size and document formats. So gather all your documents and prepare all the documents and keep them together. Number 3 is complete the application form, because most countries now have online application form. Not necessarily you have to visit the embassy or something. You can apply for it. You can fill the application form online. So take your time and fill the application form properly online, because small errors like mistakes in your date of birth, your passport numbers, or errors in your name or mistyping may lead to denial of your visa or delay of your visa. So take your time when filling out the application form online. And this brings us to number 4. Number 4 is pay the visa fee. Make sure you make payment through the official payment channels listed on the embassy site, and keep the payment receipt because you'll be needing it during your application, for your application. Number 5 is book visa appointment. That this is for countries that requires physical submissions, that you have to go there in person and make submissions, or you have to go there in person for your interview. So book your appointment early, because slots can fill up fast, especially during peak travel seasons. So book your appointment very fast. Step 6, which is number 6, is prepare for interview. That is, if interview is required, you may need to prepare for your interview, like practice common questions like what's your purpose of visiting, who is sponsoring you, where are you going to be staying during your visit. Just be honest, clear and confident. Number 7, submit your application on the day of your appointment. That is, if your visa type requires you to submit your application, to submit your document in person and go for interview on that day, make sure you double check that all your documents are intact and they are correct and no one is missing. Be polite and be professional during the process. Number 8 is track your application. Most embassies now let you track your application status online so that you can stay updated, and also so that you can know when to collect your passport or you wait for delivery. See, you don't need an agent to apply for any visa. It's easier than you think if you follow these simple steps. If you have any questions about the process, drop them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you. And don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Explore Abroad for more travel tips and hacks. Thanks for watching, and remember, traveling smart starts with you. See you in the next video.